Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I am bringing you my $10 dinner challenge, where I had invited some very talented ladies to join me in creating a meal and sharing it with you, and the budget was $10 and we are to create a meal for our family. So I would like to thank everybody that joined me in this collaboration, and make sure you check out the playlist, which will be linked down below, for everyone joining in, and you can get so many different dinner ideas on the budget. So without further ado, let's get started.
So for this video, I will be making sausage pasta. So here is what the sausage pasta will take that I'm using. So these sausages, I had picked up 8 of them for $8, and then there's 4 left here. I had grilled them last night for dinner, and I'm using the 4 for lunch because I'm feeding 5 kids, but this will be more than enough for 4 adults as well. So 5 kids, and then I'll probably have some as well. I have 2 tomatoes that I'm gonna use, and they came from my garden, so $0. I'm using 2 peppers, and I picked up 8 peppers for $5. I will have the full breakdown listed what this meal cost me. This package of pasta I picked up on sale for 99 cents. This is just a handful of spinach, some basil from my garden, and then I just have a tiny bit of cheese, a little amount of cheese left that I will sprinkle on top. And then I will also use olive oil. So I have my water for pasta boiling. I'm being lazy and just using a small pot instead of my pasta maker. And I'm going to saute all of my vegetables with the sausage. I've decided to add 2 cloves of garlic in it. So I'm preheating my oil. I already added my pasta to cook. I'm going to add my pepper. And cook for about a minute or 2 before I add my spinach and sausage. Because I'm just heating the sausage up. Now I'm going to add my sausage and spinach and the basil. Kids, this is kind of my recipe. I don't actually follow a recipe, and the kids eat up like crazy. So while this is cooking or heating up, I'm going to chop up my tomatoes. So this is just about ready, so I'm going to toss in my chopped up tomatoes. So the pasta is done. I have saved some pasta water just for the sauce. So now I'm going to add the pasta to the meat. I'm going to add some pepper, just black pepper. I'm still out of my freshly cracked black pepper, otherwise I would have put that in. And then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese, and I did not add any pasta water because there seems to be enough stuff. And I'm just going to do a drizzle of olive oil. So here it is. I have added some crushed red pepper onto mine for spiciness. If I was just making this for my family, I would have added into the the whole pasta, but because daycare kids are eating it, I want to limit it. So I will feed 5 kids plus myself, and I will have some for another time. So this is easily a meal for a family for under $10, no problem. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button. And make sure you check out the playlist for all the other $10 meal ideas that are linked in a playlist. And I would like to thank everybody for joining in. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.